teaching the babies how to dust bathe. A couple of them are starting to show their little frizzle feathers. Some will be smooth, but I know at least two whose little wing feathers are starting to flare out instead of lay smooth. One right by itself right there. Look at that one on its mama. I'll go get her a pan of dirt here in a minute. I just wanted y'all to see. Teaching her babies how to take a bath. She's been a good mama. This is the first time she went broody. She just turned a year old in April, and she's done really well. There's a couple more chicks over here, and they're not interested in learning. They're just interested in eating. We had 9. We lost one, which is in that first 24 hours, which can happen. I mean, there's problems with them sometimes when they're born. And then we had another that disappeared. I'm not sure if it had, if we got a rat in here, if we got a big black snake come in here, I don't know. Or if it's just caught up in the straw and I haven't found it yet. But we're down to 7, which is, you know, that's how it is when you raise animals of any kind. This little one don't care. And his wing feathers, or her wing feathers, seem to be trying to flare out just a little bit too. So I don't know if there might be a frizzle on that one too. It's always exciting to figure out which ones are and which ones aren't. We love frizzles here. Yeah, that's super cute. Yeah, we got the babies. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get her some better dirt to teach them how to dust bathe in. Hayes just not cutting it for her. Y'all have a good evening. Love you. Bye.